non-Jewish holiday season. He is an only child and also known as a military brat. As a military brat, he has been exposed to diverse groups and cultures. His travel has become second nature as he has been free to travel to Tortola, South Korea, Barbados, England, and Hawaii, and the list continues on. He has lived in California, Florida, Georgia, Alabama, and Tennessee. But not only is he a military brat, but he's also a PA, known as a preacher's kid. And he's delegated. Amen. But as a child of 6 weeks, he was baptized, and later, at the age of 8, he made the decision to be baptized and to follow the will of the Lord. And he was baptized in the leadership of his father and pastor at the St. Paul City Church in Williamsville, Alabama. He has served as the president of the Christian Youth Fellowship for the Birmingham District and the Birmingham region. And he served for technically 2 years. Amen. He also has served as a member of the Transportation and Welfare Committee for the 2010 General Conference. He is a product of the Presbyterian, Lutheran, the Baptist, and non-denominational Christian school system. In 2008, he graduated from Shades Mountain Christian School in Hoover, Alabama. In August 2008, he began studies at Northwest Florida State College in Niceville, Florida, where he served as a student traffic council juror, the Student Government Association, where he served as governor, and also the African American Student Association, where he served as parliamentarian. In 2011, January, he transferred to the Middle Texas State University and graduated in May of 2013 as a psychology major, minor in mental health and